Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,000. It's powered by a freshly rebuilt 454 cubic inch, 4-bolt main big block Chevy engine with only 1 mile since rebuild, paired with a TH400 transmission. The rebuild includes a new Summit Racing crankshaft, Melling camshaft, Mahle piston rings, Clevite bearings, Melling high-volume oil pump, new seals, lifters, and gaskets, and a new transmission filter, fluid, and tail shaft seal. Fuel delivery has been upgraded with a Holley fuel pressure regulator and gauge, and a new Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor, replacing the old throttle body injection. It comes with a complete Edelbrock tuning kit and is tuned 2 stages leaner for 6,500 feet elevation. Additional new parts include fuel lines with heat shielding, vacuum lines, NGK spark plugs, plug wires, and a blue streak coil. Number 2. 1992 Ford Flareside, price $7,000, well cared for classic pickup with 139,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior. The current owner has had the truck since 2016 and has consistently maintained it over the years. Overall, it's in solid condition for its age, the body remains straight, the wheels and tires are in excellent shape, and the interior is clean and comfortable. The hood has started to lose its clear coat, and the front end will eventually need some mechanical work, but the truck still runs and drives. This 1992 Ford Flareside represents a dependable and well-preserved example of a classic Ford pickup, offering timeless style, solid performance, and great potential for someone looking to continue its care or restore it to pristine condition. Number 3. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine. Finished in sleek black exterior paint with a gold interior, it shows approximately 61,000 miles since the engine rebuild and runs flawlessly. Everything on this Chevy works as it should, from the cold air conditioning to the smooth shifting manual transmission. Recent maintenance includes brand new tires on all 4 corners, a new dual MagnaFlow exhaust system, offering a refined, quality tone without being loud, as well as a new fuel pump, starter, alternator, battery, spark plugs, MSD wires, and fuel filter. The truck has no leaks or mechanical issues whatsoever. Both the engine and transmission operate perfectly, the clutch feels tight and responsive, and the gear shifts are smooth. Number 4. 1993 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,000, solid drivable project that already features a number of new parts, making it a great foundation for someone looking to finish or customize it further. Under the hood, it's believed to be powered by a freshly built 383 small block Chevy engine, offering strong performance and plenty of torque. The truck sits on an attractive set of wheels and tires that give it a bold, confident stance on the road. The interior and exterior both show signs of age but remain in good shape for its vintage, making it a promising candidate for restoration or modification. The cluster currently shows 160,000 miles, which reflects its use over the years but doesn't take away from its potential as a classic, dependable Chevrolet pickup. Number 5. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. The truck has been meticulously maintained by its mechanic owner and has never been used for towing, serving instead as a reliable daily commuter. It has received Mobil 1 oil changes since new, keeping the engine exceptionally smooth running as well as the day it left the factory. The vehicle features good tires, a new cooling system, and a transmission that has been regularly serviced with fresh fluid. Everything on the truck works properly, with no oil consumption or leaks reported. Additional features include a diamond plate toolbox and running boards, adding both functionality and style. The only flaw noted is a crack in the dashboard, which has been neatly covered with an aftermarket dash cover. Number 6. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, well-kept classic pickup with 185,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, offering solid performance both on and off the road. Finished in white with a gray interior, this truck combines classic styling with practical comfort. Equipped with power windows, power locks, cruise control, tilt steering, and air conditioning, it provides a smooth and convenient driving experience. The truck rides on all new tires, including the spare, ensuring reliability on any trip. It also comes with front and rear trailer hitches, making it capable of handling towing duties with ease. Interestingly, this vehicle was previously owned by a private pilot who used it to move his small aircraft in and out of the hangar, suggesting it was well cared for and used primarily for light-duty work. Number 7. 1994 Ford F-150, price $6,000, with approximately 147,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with a 5-speed manual transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by a 4.9L inline-6 engine. The truck features a distinctive purple exterior paired with a brown interior. While the truck remains mechanically sound and runs well, it shows signs of normal wear from age and use, including several door dings and paint scratches. There are also a few small rust spots forming around the rear wheel wells, and the exhaust tip is rusted through. The frame has some surface rust, but it has not compromised the steel. Additional undercarriage photos can be provided upon request. This F-150 has been well maintained, with a battery replaced just 6 months ago, and both the serpentine belt and alternator replaced about a year and a half ago. It's a 4x2 drivetrain model and has no major damage reported. Number 8. 1983 GMC 1500, price $6,500. It comes equipped with a 305 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 overdrive transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. It still retains its factory air conditioning system, which isn't currently working but remains complete and restorable. Additional comfort and convenience features include a heater, tilt steering column, cruise control, and power windows and locks. The truck also has a new battery and comes with a Boss amplifier installed. It holds a clean title, showing clear ownership history. While there is a bit of rust in the cab corners and rockers, the overall body remains solid. It runs and drives as it should, though it would benefit from a tune-up and a thorough cleaning to bring it back to its best condition. Overall, this 1983 GMC 1500 is a solid vintage truck with great potential. Number 9. 1999 Ford F-150, price $2,995, showing only 112,000 original miles, a rare find for a truck of its age. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable V8 gasoline engine, it delivers smooth performance, strong pulling power, and the durability that the F-Series is known for. The red exterior paired with a gray interior gives it a classic, clean look, and both the body and cabin remain in excellent condition, reflecting years of proper care. Inside, the truck features power windows, cold AC, and a spacious, comfortable cabin ideal for both workdays and long drives. On the road, the F-150 runs strong and handles solidly, offering a stable and confident ride. The bed is sturdy and ready for towing, hauling, or weekend projects, making this truck as functional as it is dependable. Number 10. 1970 Chevrolet C20, price $9,000, powered by a rebuilt 355 engine with about 200 miles on it, paired with a granny low 4-speed manual transmission. It features Edelbrock heads, intake, carburetor, and cam, plus headers and a basic dual exhaust setup. The truck has a new radiator support, aluminum radiator, grille, fuel tank, and sender. Its steering, suspension, and front disc brake systems are all new, though it still uses manual steering. Inside, it's fitted with a new steering wheel and dash pad. It sits nicely on a March 5 drop with newer GM wheels and 265/70-16 general tires. While it runs great and drives anywhere, the paint shows its age and the body needs work on the rockers, corners, rear floor, and wood bed. Included are extra parts like a rubber floor kit, seat belts, seat cover, mirrors, marker lenses, cab lights, and a chrome rear bumper.